right? Here we go. This is a storm. It's a blizzard in Wisconsin. The snow is deep. Like, do you see these footprints? Like, I don't know. There's our car. Do you see our car? I don't. My sister just almost fell. She's the one in the green.
Oh my God!
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Wait, stop.
Oh my God. It's blowing still because there's still snow coming. There's no one outside except for us crazy. The plows hasn't come to our parking lot. I don't know where they are, but this is deep. I can't go without it getting up to my knees. And yeah, this is some stuff. Oh, it's like a workout. Oh crap! I just fell. And the snow is cold. Oh my God. Okay, I got it. It's just all white out here. You can barely even see. I feel like I'm in Antarctica or something. Common flipping Mount Everest. She's getting stuck. We got a shovel. The shovel can't even help. Like, I don't even know where the parking lot is. Like, it's never ending. It's never ending. The sun is coming. It needs to help us. See, that's how deep this stuff is. Oh my God. Trying to get out. This is hard. This is just our house. This is our flipping house, people. Okay, I'm gonna come. Oh, crap. This is our door. How are we supposed to get inside? Look at that. Look at the snow.
They can't even get out their garage.
They can't get out their garage. Our neighbors. I don't know if they tried.
They can't get out their garage. The drift goes all the way to Chad's garage. No.
Let me get some video. It's a little easier here. A little. Let me put that out there. It gets easier as you go along because the snow begins to stop. As you can see where she is, there's some ground. But see, that's someone's garage. You can't even really see it. That's our neighbor's car. They are obviously snowed in. There's a hill. Can't see our neighbor's house. And there's another. It looks like a tidal wave. Yeah. This stuff is crazy.